You may have heard some things about the Bermuda Triangle, which can seem a bit difficult and illogical to understand. The Bermuda Triangle, sometimes referred to as the Devil's Triangle or the Sea of Death, is an area in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean. It is said that over 50 ships have disappeared in this area, with no trace of them remaining to this day. You might think that this isn't very complicated and that the region could have adverse conditions. However, what makes this area particularly special and scarier is that according to published information, 21 airplanes have also vanished upon entering this region, and no one has any news about them to date. Many theories exist regarding the Bermuda Triangle, none of which have been definitively proven, leaving it a major question mark for scientists and the public worldwide. Two popular theories among people attribute this location to a giant time machine and the activity of extraterrestrial beings in this area. Available information estimates the area of this region to be between 1.3 million square kilometers and 3.9 million square kilometers, with ongoing disputes over its exact dimensions. Interestingly, the U.S. Geological Society does not recognize this triangle, and it is not mentioned on government maps. The Bermuda Triangle is located over the Atlantic Ocean along the southeastern coast of the United States. The apex of this triangle is near Bermuda, with the lower part extending from Florida and curving southwards toward Puerto Rico before passing through the Sargasso Sea and returning toward Bermuda. For the first time, on September 17, 1950, Edward Van Winkle Jones reported the disappearance of some airplanes and ships in the Miami Herald, which introduced the term Bermuda Triangle. 2 years later, the magazine Fate published a short article titled The Mystery of the Sea Behind Our Door, which emphasized this issue to the public. The article referenced the loss of many ships and airplanes, including Flight 19. A decade later, in April 1962, the American Legion magazine claimed that there was an important matter concerning Flight 19. The magazine stated that the mission commander of the flight said, "We are entering white waters, we don't know where we are, and nothing looks good." This led to rumors that Flight 19 was sent to Mars by the Bermuda Triangle. How did the largest ship in the U.S. Navy disappear without a trace? This was a question in many people's minds in March 1918 when a large American battleship named USS Cyclops vanished on a trip between the West Indies and Baltimore. A century later, no answer has been found except that the Bermuda Triangle swallowed the ship. The Cyclops was nearly 170 meters long, with 309 crew members on board, transporting about 11,000 tons of manganese. The ship had been successfully sailing since 1910, traveling between the Baltic Sea, the Caribbean, and Mexico. This cargo ship transported coal worldwide and also assisted refugees. Another incident involved the disappearance of a Douglas aircraft. On December 27, 1948, Captain Robert Lindquist led a commercial flight with a DC-3 from San Juan, Puerto Rico to Miami, Florida. Shortly after, the aircraft vanished forever with 36 passengers on board. The pilot informed the control tower, "We are approaching our destination and are only 50 miles south, and we can see the lights of Miami, everything is fine." The DC-3 disappeared from the radar screen moments later. The location where the plane was believed to have crashed was over the Florida Keys, where the clear waters were only 20 feet deep, and if the DC-3 crashed there, it should have been visible. Investigating authorities vigorously followed up, questioning how an experienced pilot could vanish on a calm, moonlit night. Search teams scoured the area where the plane was thought to have gone down, but no trace was found in the 20-foot depth. You must be curious about the reasons for these strange occurrences. As mentioned, numerous theories exist regarding this point on Earth that may be correct or represent a combination of truths. However, to date, no logical theory has been confirmed or disproven. Some have fueled rumors and imaginative themes, including 2 imaginative theories and 4 scientific theories that we will mention below. One of the most famous imaginative theories about this triangle is that some believe there is a spaceship beneath the Bermuda Triangle, which abducts those who enter its boundaries from Earth. Other imaginative theories about the Bermuda Triangle include strange and gigantic creatures. Some believe that terrifying monsters and demons reside in this area, and anyone who enters their territory is forever lost. Among the other explanations, we can refer to methane gas in the Bermuda Triangle, human errors, hexagonal clouds of the Bermuda Triangle, and volcanic activity in the Bermuda Triangle. Which of these explanations seems rational to you?